Good morning everyone and welcome back to my wonderful channel where we mostly talk about Shopify. So today what we're gonna do is do another one of those why do most people fail on Shopify. So this will give you a few things to think about if you're doing Shopify, as you know you don't want to fail. So let's get straight into it. The first point I want to make is don't just learn. Because there are so many people watching so many videos, every video online, every course, they do all sorts of stuff, find a mentor, everything like that, but then they don't act on it. So, what you want to do is you want to learn for a bit of time, you want to take things in, but then once you go into that, you just want to try, because that's how you're gonna make it. The fastest way to make it in Shopify or any other business, as a matter of fact, is to try. You have to try. That's everything. So you want to try after you've learned. It's kind of like sports. For example, if you watch a basketball player, you watch every single basketball game, you watch the top players in the world, the best people, you watch every game, then what you're gonna have is you're gonna know all the rules, how people do it, how everything is done. But then, once you're gonna try and play, you're not gonna do anything good. You're gonna shoot the ball, you're gonna do everything that's wrong, because you have no experience. And Shopify is exactly the same. So once you've learned a few things, you want to dive straight into it and then see what happens, and then you want to change things around, because if you haven't started, you're not changing things around because you haven't started. So that's the first point. So just to add on that, the thing that you want to do is you want to learn for about a month. I would advise, if you're coming to the end of the month, just start going, keep learning, but then implement the stuff that you're learning. So if you want to try, if it's been already a month that you've been watching videos, click on the very first link. It may be the only one where there's a 14-day free trial for Shopify, and then just start, because that's how you're gonna make it. Then the next thing is you want to try different things, because that's how you're gonna work out which is working, what's not. Because what I teach on this channel and what other YouTubers and people that have courses teach might work for them, it might not work for you. Most things will work for you, but you may have to add a twist here and there, because that's how you're gonna make it. So beware of that. Play your own game, just switch things up a little bit and see what works for you. The messages I send to influencers are not the same as other people, so keep that in mind. Don't do that. Just maybe try a message. If it's not working, try another one. And that's just an example. Maybe the message that I teach, which is in another video, might work for you, but maybe something else will not. So just try things out and see what works. The thing is, here's an example. What I did was an error a while back. I made the exact same video as another big company, because I was selling the same product. So I made the same video because I don't want to take their video because of copyright issues. So I made a video that was pretty close. The text was exactly the same on it. Everything was really close. You could take the two, they last exactly the same time and things like that. Just a few changes. And guess what? I don't make sales from that, because they have tried and tested so many things that they know what works, they know who to target, and that happens. What I did is I took the same video, I targeted some people, and it didn't work out. So maybe I could have twisted some things. I decided to go on another route, but if I had to continue, I would probably have switched up a little things here and there, and I would have made it. But I didn't, so you know, you have to try, test, change things, and what works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. So that's the next point. The next thing is, if you want to get tons of value, subscribe and like the video, comment if you think I missed out a few points, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.